If you want to enable Google Backup on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, open up your settings. Now scroll down to Accounts and Backup. Now choose your backup data. Also, you are to give all the necessary permissions. So first of all, we need to choose what will be backed up. For example, our photos and videos or other device data, so such as contacts, call history, device settings, updated data, so on and so forth. So choose what you want to back up and let's press confirm. Here's your backup status, so everything is on, and let's press manage backup. So you can press manage storage and see your Google Drive where everything will be backed up. You can also set up your backup by Google One and press backup now to start it up. Here you can see what is backed up already, and you can also set up a backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data. So let's press backup now, confirm your choice by entering your screen lock, and the backup has started. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.